This kit features a high cordless power drill, driver, two 20V max 5.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a tough case. This cordless drill with battery and charger is equipped with a 3-speed transmission to help optimize the speed of application and a 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck for superior bit gripping strength. LED spotlight mode features a 20-minute shut-off function allowing for extended work time in dark or confined spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The power drill has 3-speed and all-metal high-performance transmission that optimizes tool to task for fast application speeds and improved runtime. Number 2. High-power brushless motor of DEWALT 20V max drill delivers up to 57% more runtime over the brushed motor. Number 3. 3-mode LED comes with the DEWALT drill to provide lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than the previous model. Number 4. LED spotlight mode features a 20-minute shut-off function allowing for extended work time in dark or confined spaces. Number 5. Heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. Number 6. DEWALT's proprietary 3-speed transmission delivers maximum power and speed for tough applications, including 2 and 9/16 inches self-feed bits. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.